Hello and welcome back, my friends. Just wanted to give you all a quick update on the green grass paint technique as a method of keeping your front yard lawn looking tidy and nice and neat throughout the summer months without having to do a whole lot of watering, hundreds if not thousands of gallons of water to keep it growing and looking green. So this footage of me painting the lawn happened back in mid-June of this year. That's typically around the time when I cut the grass for the final time in the summer, apply the grass paint, and that carries me on into the fall. So for the past 4 months, that one application of grass paint kept the front yard looking really nice. So now we'll fast forward now to the current time here at the end of October. I've been using this technique for several years. Many folks wonder, why would you even go through the hassle if water is such an issue? If you live in a drought-prone area, why even have a lawn in the first place? Well, because first of all, a lawn looks nice. Second, it's possible to get a nice looking lawn 6 months out of the year or more, even in some of these drought-prone areas. As long as you have a season of rain, it's going to naturally water the lawn and keep it looking great just from the natural rainfall. But overall, a lawn is a nice place to gather, maybe lay down a blanket, have a picnic. If you've got pets, they enjoy going out on the lawn. But my favorite reason for having a lawn is to get grounded. So you take off your shoes and you get your bare feet on the grass, on the ground, direct connection. There are many health benefits associated with grounding, also known as earthing. I encourage you to look into it. So anyway, here we are at the latter part of October, and you can see now we've got small little tiny blades of grass starting to poke up, just from the rain event that we just recently had. So although this lawn saw no water for several months, the actual root zone of the grass stayed lively and is now producing a nice flush of some fresh grass. So the technique works as an added benefit. I didn't have to go through the hassle of mowing the lawn throughout the summer months. If you're watering and fertilizing, you're gonna have to mow it and keep it trim as well. But because I stopped watering once I put the paint application on, the grass just stayed at the same level. There was no added growth. So I haven't had to mow my lawn in several months either. But at this point, you can see we've got leaves starting to fall. I'm going to have to begin to rake and start my mowing again. We just wanted to give you guys this update and show you the effectiveness of the green grass paint as a means of keeping your yard looking nice, even if you don't want to do your whole patch of grass. If you just have spots or blotches in your lawn, maybe due to pets doing their business, it can work for that as well. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from PlantAbundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.